Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Students, in today's lesson we will learn the topic of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals is on page number 268. Open your books to understand the topic easily. Right? Okay. You have already learned about four-sided figures in your previous classes, and that four-sided figures were, you all know, square, rectangle, parallelogram, a rhombus, a kite, right? All these were the examples of four-sided figures. Students, all these four-sided figures belongs to a specific group, and that group is called quadrilaterals, right? So a quadrilateral is a closed, you have to keep it in your mind, a quadrilateral is a closed plane figure, a figure that is closed from all the sides. It is known as a quadrilateral, is a closed plane figure that has four sides. A closed plane figure that has four sides, four vertices, 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertices, and four interior angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4 interior angles. This is known as a quadrilateral, right? A closed plane figure that has 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides, four vertices, 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertices, and four interior angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4 interior angles. This figure is known as a quadrilateral. So all the four-sided figures are known as quadrilaterals, right? Students, a quadrilateral is named by taking the vertices either in a clockwise or anti-clockwise order. Clockwise order is the order in which the hands of your clock moves, and anti-clockwise is in the opposite direction, right? So you can name your quadrilateral as A, B, C, D, or you can start from B. You can say it's B, C, D, A, or you can start from C, D, A, B, or you can start from D, D, A, B, C. So these are the four possible names of this quadrilateral. But these four are the correct ways. The incorrect way is A, B, D, C. You can't take the name of this vertex first and then this one. You need to move in an order, in an anti-clockwise order or in a clockwise order, right? So these two are the incorrect ways. You can take the names in an order, right? This is the way how you can name your quadrilateral. Now students, you can see there is a straight line which is joining your two opposite corners, B and D, two opposite corners. A line segment that joins your two opposite corners is known as a diagonal. This is known as a diagonal. This diagonal is dividing your quadrilateral into two triangles. You can see it's one and it's two triangles, yeah, right? This diagonal is dividing your quadrilateral into two triangles. Now, as we have discussed, in a quadrilateral we have four angles, right? And this diagonal, you can see this diagonal has divided your two opposite angles into two equal parts, right? And by this division we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 angles, right? And we have got two triangles, number 1 and number 2 triangles. We have got two triangles, right? And let's discuss the properties. As we have discussed that the sum of the angles sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. So by dividing triangle and this quadrilateral into two parts, we have got two triangles. That means we have 180 and 180. 2 times 180, it's equal to 360. So sum of interior angles of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D is always equal to 360 degrees. So this is the property about the interior angles of a quadrilateral. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, right? So what we have learned that a quadrilateral is a closed, remember your figure should be closed, right, from all its vertices, right? So a quadrilateral is a closed plane figure that has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 interior angles, right? 4 interior angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides, and you can see all the sides are closed. 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertices. A, B, C and D are the names of the vertices, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 angles, and you can see these two angles are divided into two parts because of this diagonal. The line segment that will join your opposite corners is known as a diagonal, right? And this, because of this diagonal, this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, 1 and 2 triangles, right? And as we have discussed in the previous video, that sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees, right? It's always equal to 180 degrees as we have two triangles. So the sum of interior angles of the quadrilateral is 2 times 180, or 180 plus 180, it would be equal to 360 degrees. So the property of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, right? So this was the introduction of a quadrilateral. You need to keep all these things in your mind, so it will be helpful for you to solve the sums of your given exercise, right? Now in the next video we will discuss different types of quadrilaterals. If you have any difficulty, watch the video again. After watching the video, if you still face any problem, you can contact me. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.